Hey everyone, it's Margaret here at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you a little overview of this quilt kit. It's called Greenhouse, and it is by Elizabeth Hartman, and it uses her line that is the kitchen window wovens to give it kind of that fun, kitschy feeling. And actually the background fabric is this brown linen, which I'm getting ready to show you when we open the package. So this particular quilt kit she's done before in all solids, and now she's recolored it with the kitchen woven fabrics, which I think are just fabulous for this quilt because it makes the pots on the quilt just really fun. So it's really more of a cactusy type succulent feel to the quilt. And so for the background, it has got this beautiful brown and gold linen that is the background, which is an Essex linen, which has a nice snubby texture to it. Then for the pots, it has all of the kitchen window checks and plaids. Then it has extra green because there's a lot of green in this because of the cactus. And then what they provide is a Kona 10-inch square, which you can cut all of the solids that you need out of this to make your cactus and your succulents to go in these beautiful pots. So as you can see, it's got a nice array of colors. She gives you a color chart for this one that shows you every color that you need for each individual pot. And then wonderful detailed directions on how to make it. This quilt kit is a lap size quilt, 60 by 70, and it'll be fun for you to make. Happy quilting!